morning, everybody. It's great to be with you here today. Now, K5's introduction a few years ago changed the game in the midsize sedan segment. Buyers took notice and they clearly liked what they saw. A sportier, better equipped choice than what the established incumbents were offering. Now, since its launch, K5 has gained market share, growing from under 7% for the prior generation model to well above 9% last year. The K5 was a hit from the day it arrived in showrooms, thanks to its available all-wheel drive option and an available 2.5 turbo in the GT model. As a result, this sporty sedan has attracted the youngest buyers in the midsize segment. K5's winning formula starts with its design. The wide, strong haunches, sleek, coupe-like profile, and a prominent brow give it a bold, sporty, and powerful presence. Now, combine that with advanced technology, efficient and responsive powertrains, plus, key point here, great value, and it's easy to see why K5 is such a compelling choice for younger buyers. For 2025, the K5 gets even better, and we're thrilled to share it with you here today. Here is the new K5. It has more athletic styling, more performance, more sophisticated interior, more connected technology, and more advanced driver assist systems. Let's start with the freshened look. The K5's front end appearance is updated with a honeycomb grille pattern and vertical wings on the outer edges of the bumper to give the car a wider look. The design team also incorporated Kia's signature star map lighting pattern, including the amber daytime running lamps on all models. In fact, all of the exterior lighting is now LED. There are sporty 18-inch and 19-inch wheels available, and available power folding mirrors. Around back, the new K5 has a spoiler integrated into the deck lid. Again, a new star map tail lamp design and available diffuser integrated into the lower fascia. Now, while some others have eliminated their high output engines, Kia is going all in for the sporty sedan buyers. First, the GT Sports Sedan variant, which we show here, continues with a 290 horsepower 2.5 turbo and class-leading 311 pound-feet of torque. The K5 GT offers its own distinctive design cues, including the new neon green brake calipers, taking a cue from our EV6 GT. We are also offering a larger, more powerful standard engine, generating 191 horsepower and 181 pound-feet of torque, representing an 11 horsepower increase over last year. And of course, we will also offer an available all-wheel drive system to ensure buyers can enjoy great driving experience in various weather conditions. And the suspension system on all K5 models has been fine-tuned to deliver even better ride feel and quality. Now, with Digital Key 2.0, you don't even need to take your phone out of your pocket to unlock the car. Inside, K5 has a wide, modern look with luxurious touches and upgraded materials. Now, the most visible change is the newly available dual panoramic curved display that integrates a digital cluster and also a 12.3-inch center cluster infotainment screen. The new K5 can also receive over-the-air updates for infotainment system features, including navigation maps. There's more connected technology inside with standard wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. 3 available USB charge ports, plus wireless charging pad built into a redesigned center console. Finally, the K5 features Kia's latest in advanced driver assist systems, On all models, this includes forward collision avoidance assist, which is designed to detect vehicles, pedestrians, and cyclists, as well as front and rear parking distance warning. The K5 will also offer available surround view monitor and blind view monitors to give drivers confidence on the road or in the parking lot. We expect the new K5 to go on sale later this spring. It's clear that the new K5 and the new Carnival demonstrate Kia's commitment to move forward on all fronts in each automotive segment we compete by offering great-looking vehicles that deliver the capability, performance, and technology that buyers want. No compromises,